pencil addiction has got to stop. I'm just having too much fun with it. I need help. Right, okay. Come on, Smoothie, you can do this. Dial that number, be brave. Here goes.
Hello?
Oh, hi there, yes. Can I speak to the pencil therapist, please?
This is the pencil therapist. How can I help you today, sir?
Oh, hi there. I think I might have a small problem. I think I need help with it.
Okay, can I start by taking your name, please, sir?
My name? Yeah, sure. It's Smoothie77.
And is your problem a pencil collecting addiction, sir?
Yeah, I'm afraid so. Yeah, I'm really addicted to collecting pencils. Any type, I don't mind. I just like pencils.
Unfortunately, sir, there's no known cure for pencil addiction.
Really? No known cure? What, you mean that I'll have this pencil addiction for the rest of my life?
Yes, sir.
Yay?
Is this Smoothie77 that's on YouTube?
Yeah, that's right. That's me.
By the way, Smoothie,
Yeah?
your channel sucks.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Bye.